RespectNet Project, respectful communication through Media Education Network.
Environmental Sustainability in the University System by Simona Iannacone, Pegaso Online University. Sustainability is a model now continuously invoked and considered by some, a regulatory obligation by other, a strategic process, placed at the center of political choices and business strategies, whose complexity is highlighted in the planning of actions, as it must concern not only the environment but also the socio-economic context. The preservation of ecosystems, although linked to forms of gap and socio-economic inequality, has emerged to a greater extent due to the COVID pandemic. In the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, adopted in 2015 by the UN, has implemented an action program based on the sustainability paradigm in order to address the current situation of deep crisis for about a decade. The relaunch can only pass through the measured priority of research, development and innovation. Scientific research, in fact, can guide political and economic choices, direct processes and design paths in which to direct regulatory guidelines and which must translate into real actions of implementation and improvement of processes. There are therefore the two missions of the university in addition to the educational one. If research is the main purpose of university institution, today, however, the real challenge is the so-called third mission, or the ability to achieve the scientific, technological and cultural transfer of knowledge thanks to the continuous and direct interaction between university, civil society and the entrepreneurial fabric, so as to promote the economic and social growth of the territory. Only thanks to the mobilization of internal and external resources, the university institution can respond to this urgent challenge, and even if the problem is evident above all in the environmental aspects, the change must also be economic and social, stressing that these three dimensions are interconnected and indivisible and that they must be examined in a complementary way. More and more universities in the world have felt the social responsibility to include sustainable development among their research actions and also within their organizational practices, joining in networks to pool energies on the issues on environmental sustainability and social responsibility. Since 2015, over 80 universities in Italy have chosen to collaborate together in the network of Universities for Sustainable Development, called RUS, promoted by the Conference of Rectors of Italian Universities, whose role concerns sustainability consists in adapting and promoting this model within the courses of study, increasing the cultural and political commitment of students towards sustainability, thus promoting sustainability training.